Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to Lyra Collection 1 by Woodside Homes. Now behind me is the Leo floor plan that we're gonna be touring today, so don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to buy a new built home, or if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, the like button, the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, welcome everyone. Today is October 3rd, 2024. We are gonna be touring Lyra at Sunstone by Woodside Homes. Now we're located here in the northwest side of town. We're about 30 to 40 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and the strip. Great area, you guys. A lot of these communities are going to be gated, okay? And they're gonna have parks close by, so great for families. They also have stores close by as well. Before I put the floor plans on the screen for you guys, just know that they're gonna offer 126 lots here. Now it's gonna be divided into two different collections, okay? Collection 1 and Collection 2. Now I'll put the floor plans up on the screen for you guys. So Collection 1, they're gonna have 4 different floor plans, all 2-story homes with 2-car garages. It's gonna range from 2,488 square feet to about 2,752 square feet, with the base prices ranging $534,990 to $559,990. And then you're gonna have Collection 2, okay? They're gonna offer 3 different floor plans. These are gonna be 2-story, 3-car garages, okay? So that's the major difference between the collections, is one has two-car garage, the other has 3-car garages. But yeah, 3 different floor plans ranging from 3,027 square feet all the way up to 3,428 square feet. Here in this community, they're doing a mixture of both, of quick move-ins as well as building from lot up. And now I think they're gonna have more building from dirt up than quick move-ins. But if you're looking at the base price, just know that lot premium and upgrades are not included in that base price. So you just wanna go ahead and add that. Buyers on average are putting in at about 10 to 20% of the base price, which is gonna include the lot premium and upgrades, okay? So it's kind of like a large gap, but there's different like structural upgrades that you could do with these homes, which is kind of shows you why it could be 10 to 20%, okay? So a little bit about the community here. As far as the total monthly fee, homeowners association. So you're gonna have an HOA and you're going to have a master plan. So together that's gonna be $100 a month. You also will have a SID assessment here. So the SID assessment is going to be $480.50 that you pay every 6 months, okay? Guys, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. All right, welcome everyone to the Leo Plan 7. This is going to be 2,752 square feet, 2-story, 4 to 5 bedrooms, okay? And then a base price as of today is $559,990. Again, that's just the base price, guys. So remember, you have to add in the lot premium and the upgrades. Now, I will be showing you guys what are some structural upgrades in the house as well as what is standard. You're gonna have the paver driveway is gonna be included. Desert landscaping will be included. As far as the garage goes, it's gonna be fully painted in the inside. You're gonna have a water softener loop. It's gonna be 22 feet deep. And Woodside is the only community that offers to upgrade the depth of your garage. So if you wanna have it be 24 feet deep, you can definitely do that to accommodate your large SUVs and your pickup trucks. Yeah, I think I mentioned you get the water softener loop. And it's already set up too. If you have like a Tesla or electronic vehicle, you could easily have it set up. We'll head to the front door. So again, most of these homes, you kind of have to walk along the side of the house to get to the front door. So here's the information. Again, 2,752 square feet. Okay. So you have this nice large like 8-foot door. So welcome in. As soon as you walk in, to the right, you're gonna have your main living area. So you have the upgraded super island right here, dining room, living room, and then you'll have a bedroom downstairs as well. Okay, so this is your door to your garage. I think it's locked though. Yep, it's locked. Cool, and you have your bathroom. So welcome in, definitely feels spacious. Now, another thing that I want to mention too is anytime you walk into a model house, always going to have upgraded flooring. Upgraded flooring is very, very typical. Almost 100% of buyers will upgrade from the standard flooring. Standard flooring, you're going to have a lot of carpet, but in the wet areas, you're going to have an 18 by 18 ceramic tile. So if you want like this type of tile, if you want to remove the carpet, that will be an upgrade. Okay. Another structural upgrade here is this large kitchen island, as you can see. Usually doesn't come this large, but you can upgrade it if you'd like. Okay, so many beautiful upgrades here. You got the stacked cabinets. Now what is included is you're gonna have the 42-inch cabinets, but it's gonna be like a maple color. Most buyers upgrade out of the maple colors there. Okay, also the backsplash, looks like that is upgraded. Something that is nice though is again, Woodside has really nice standard features. So you're going to have the soft close cabinets. You're going to have the 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor. You also have the built-in cooktop, just as you see right here. Okay. So dishwasher is included. Refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included. Here, this is an upgraded sink as well. Otherwise, you have the stainless steel undermount sink. Okay, cool. So it looks like we do have the double oven. Okay. Now, standard for the handles, you're gonna have like chrome finishes. This is gonna be your pantry. So, okay, decent sized pantry. Someone's calling. Okay. Now with these cabinets here, I have to double check to see if this is, I'm not 100% sure if this is upgraded, if this option is upgraded or not. Okay. This slider is included, as well as this covered patio. Now your backyard, when you move into your house, all the pavers under the covered patios will be included, and then everything else is you're gonna have like a dirt lot. You have about 6 months to a year to do your landscaping, according to the HOA. Now, I believe as well, if you wanted to extend out this covered patio, you could definitely do it. That's another structural upgrade that you can do. Okay, so over here we got your side gate. Okay. Okay, this is a really good sized living room as well. Right, so over here you're gonna have your coat closet, and then you're gonna have a little bit of storage space as well. So as you can see, you got more storage space back there. Smart panel box. This is just where you would connect your router and your modem. These doors are going to be about 6 by 7. So this is going to be your bedroom downstairs. I know having a bedroom downstairs is important to a lot of buyers. So this could be a great office space, or if you have guests stay over, you could have this room reserved for them. Okay, you're going to have this nice large window right here. And if you're curious to know the dimension of rooms, just let me know. I'll figure that out for you. Okay, so you got like plenty of lights. You got the ceiling fan right there. So none of these homes as well, they're not going to have the transfer grills that you see in a lot of new construction homes, which is like little vents right here that help regulate the airflow. You're going to have jumper ducts. Okay, so that if like there's any like wind or any air that needs to be transferred over, it goes through there inside, and then it comes out of right here. Okay, so the reason why that's better than transfer grill is because it's harder for sound to travel through there compared to if you have the transfer grill. So it's more privacy. It's going to be your full bath. Okay. Okay, you got the walk-in shower. Usually just comes with a shower tub, but that is an upgrade. All right, let's check out upstairs. So you have a landing step. That's also important to some buyers. Okay, so this is what you see. So you have the high ceilings. Again, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings on the second floor, which is really nice. So the way it's set up, you're gonna have your primary bedroom over there, and you're gonna have your guest bedrooms along here. Couple of structural upgrades you could do here. To be honest, I personally would just leave it the way it is, just because it opens up the second floor. But you can actually have this be a 5th bedroom if you want a 5th bedroom. Another structural upgrade you can do is you can make this the primary retreat. So it'd be kind of connected to the primary bedroom. There would be a door right here. Okay, so you can only access like this area if you open the door to the primary bedroom. So let's see. So right here, space for your linens. So you're gonna have this guest bedroom. It's pretty spacious. It's nice. They made it a little workout area. Okay, you have 3 windows here to allow the light to come in. Okay, so straight ahead, you'll have the laundry room. And this is gonna be your other bedroom. Okay, pretty good space. This is gonna be a full-size bed. So definitely have room in the sides. This also has a walk-in closet as well. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, and then another random thing too is with a lot of new construction, they'll have like flat white paint all throughout the house and only the semi-gloss finish in the wet areas. But here at Woodside, I think it's all eggshell all throughout the house, which is nice. So especially if you have family and kids, if it's eggshell, you could clean it. If there's scuff marks on the walls, you could clean it a lot easier compared to flat finished paint. Because if you mess up flat finished paint, if there's dirt on it, I mean, I'd recommend just repainting over it. Super difficult to clean. This is gonna be your full bath. So you got your dual sinks here, okay? Shower tub. This surround, the tile surround is optional. Okay, and here you have your laundry room. Okay, these cabinets up above are optional. Washer and dryer not included. I think you'll have like your base cabinets. If you want the sink, I believe that is an upgrade as well. Yeah, see, it definitely feels better if that space is just a loft. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. Right. So you see you got a balcony there. I do believe that balcony is included, but again, I'd have to double check. But yeah, guys, if you're watching this video and you are interested in new construction homes, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. Now, if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. You know, just make sure your realtor knows that you're going to a new construction community. Something you don't want to do is you don't want to go by yourself to the new construction community, because once you meet the builder agent, they're going to ask for your name, phone number, and email. Once you provide that, they're going to register you in their system with no agent. And the builder agents, they look after the builder's best interests, and we look after your best interests. So, you know, we negotiate for you. We hold the builders accountable. We've been through this process so many times. So, I mean, our job is to make sure this process is easy peasy for you. Okay, nice balcony. Yeah, see, as you can see in this area, it's a nice area, quiet area. You're going to have like mountain views out here. You're gonna be surrounded by mountains. My favorite standard feature about Woodside Homes, a lot of communities, is this shower that you're seeing. Can you believe it? This is standard, right? A lot of builders, you have to upgrade to this spa shower, but this is included. If you want a tub, now a tub, you'd have to, whether it's a drop-in tub or a freestanding tub, that would be an upgrade. So I'm sure most people are just gonna keep this standard feature. So you got your dual sinks. Okay, looks like they went ahead and did the, got like this backsplash going right here. Okay, definitely upgraded quartz. So you got a place for your linens, walk-in closet. Okay, and you're gonna have your toilet room right over here. Okay. So yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful house. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the Leo floor plan. Again, if you have any questions at all, curious to know what the incentives are, wanting to know any specific questions about the homes, communities, guys, give me a call. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys on the next one.